right, friends, we have Dr. Lopez here. All right, Doc, and I have one question for you. Can you give me one benefit for fluoride?
So here's my organic chemistry set that we just bought. And this is not a real molecule, but I put it together to show you how different components make up enamel. And they all get linked together. So they're chemical bonds between all the little different structures that make up the enamel.
Wow.
When you have the acidic environment of eating, drinking, leaving food on your teeth, starting to get decay, the acid pulls the minerals out of the structure. And so what happens is little by little, as you start to lose these minerals, you end up with holes. Kind of like if you think of a Connect 4 game. And what fluoride does is it comes in and it gets reabsorbed into the structures.
Wow.
So what's a good reason for having fluoride on your teeth? To remineralize your enamel.
Okay, Miss Gabby, can you give me some fun facts between systemic fluoride and even topical fluoride?
Sure. Systemic fluoride is different from topical fluoride because systemic fluoride, it's being ingested and it helps to form tooth structures in the bud. So whereas topical fluoride is just placed on top of the enamel, and with the systemic fluoride, it's in your saliva, so it's coating your teeth daily. So drinking water, taking vitamins, things like that would be intaking it systemically.
Wow, very interesting. Thank you, Miss Gabby. All right, I got Miss Lily here, another one of our dental assistants. So Lily,
hi guys.
Please tell me one benefit of fluoride.
So one benefit of fluoride is that it does help strengthen your enamel.
Hi friends, I have Miss Louie here, my dental assistant. So give me one benefit of fluoride.
So it decreases the plaque present in your teeth.
Awesome. Okay, I have Miss Sally here.
And I'm a pediatric dental hygienist.
And I have one question for you, Miss Sally.
Okay.
Okay, give me one benefit of fluoride.
It helps fight cavities.
Thanks everyone for that wonderful information on fluoride. As you can see, dental caries is the #1 preventable disease in children, and fluoride helps reduce that by 25%. If you have any questions about fluoride, give us a call. Bye.
All right, hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today to learn more about fluoride. So, you've already heard about the fantastic benefits of fluoride from our dental experts. Now, let's explore where fluoride comes from a chemistry perspective, and make it fun and easy to understand. So, first of all, here's our periodic table of elements, and we're going to talk about the element that's the star of the show, fluorine. So, fluorine is a super important element. So fluorine is right here, and it is in group 17. So we'll look at it a little bit bigger. So this is fluorine right here. So fluorine is super tiny. It is made up of just one single atom, which I brought here today, a little visual for you guys. So this is fluorine, and it's super tiny, and it's probably even smaller than this, but this is what I brought as a visual. So it's just one single atom. Okay. So now, this is where it gets interesting. You see, fluorine is what we call an anion. And an anion is like a superhero with an electric charge. It can be positive or negatively charged. So in this case, fluorine is a negatively charged ion, as you guys see in the visual. Okay? So to become an anion, fluorine gains an electron. Imagine this electron as a little friend that hops onto fluorine to gain that extra electron, okay? So when fluorine gains that extra electron, it becomes what we know as the fluoride ion. And imagine you have a group of friends, and each friend has some marbles. Now these marbles can be different colors, and they like to play together. But sometimes one friend gives some of their marbles to another friend. And when this happens, we can say that the marbles have become ions. So this extra electron gives it a net negative charge of -1. So fluoride is basically just one atom of fluorine with an extra electron. That makes it an anion with a charge of -1, which I'm going to show you. So we have that fluorine atom, and then to connect it, we need our bond, and then you put one more electron on it. And there you have it. There is fluoride. So when a positive charge and a negative charge connect, that shows us the two atoms attract, which we have right here. All right, so there you have it. The secret behind fluoride. And it's all about that special fluorine atom that becomes a superhero, fluoride ion with an extra electron. So, now that you know where fluoride comes from on a chemistry basis, next time you use fluoride toothpaste, you'll remember it's all thanks to our friend, fluorine, and its supercharged sidekick, the fluoride ion. All right, well, thank you everyone for joining us today, and keep smiling with those healthy fluoride-filled smiles.